Hello, Sakura. You will not finish until I'm here distracting you. It was a bait name. I know I won't finish it today. There are a lot of things I want to add here, which I just can't possibly do in an hour. However, I want to at least get it to the same functionality as the previous version to publish it today, and then just gradually upgrade it to add features I want. Makes sense? Yeah. I hope so. What doesn't make sense is this. Like, if it's a regular function, I can't call await, right? If I'm using async, now I can call await. Now this promise returns an array of strings. I return an array of string, right? Here I call the function and now it's a promise and not an array of string, which is more weird. I'm calling this function with await. Okay, now it's string. Why does it returns string, but then I have to do it await one more time? So weird. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's just... The problem is that I just don't understand how it works. What is await in async? So it's basically asynchronous execution of the code. So this thing returns promise, which is like result in the future. You know, and to get this, you have to do await, which will stop everything until you get to that future. And once you get, you'll get the needed value, not the promise of this value. That, as far as I understand, because I'm also not really strong in this. Honestly, coroutines is such much better abstraction than this async await. Get images. Here we go. Now, what am I doing next? I want to just copy and paste it, actually. The best abstraction, not to use it. I mean, there is like moments when you use a library code, which you cannot use because this is the only way to import a bunch of files. And it is asynchronous operation, right? Because it's I/O. I/O takes time. And you just cannot avoid async in such situation. Okay, let's compare and see what's different. Images map. Actually, wait. Images is an array string, right? Why can't you preload leaps? What do you mean preload? I guess you don't understand something. Leaps are not preloaded, like... The point is that I'm using I/O to load images, and loading images takes time, as any I/O, right? And because of that, libraries that provides that functionality to import images made it async, because it takes time, and sometimes you don't want to block everything because of it. Image. What the hell am I doing? Here we go. daily photo plus file name. What the hell is file name? How? Okay. Okay. Okay, nice. Much better. No. Image default. Property default doesn't exist on type string. Okay, I'm doing something wrong. I have grouped images. I just iterate through them. Wait a minute. Prefix image. Prefix. I'm just... Why would I use it even? Like... Image. Oh, it's not here, it's here. Image. Image. And hopefully... Oops. Oh, nice. Everything broke. I'm doing something wrong. I don't... Do I pass? No, I don't. I don't pass the pass. That's my mistake. Pass. String. Okay, here we go. And here I'm using pages. Wait, no. I'm basically just using current directory. I don't get it. Oh, wait. I don't need this one. Thumbnail, 30 images, image. Okay, here we go, but it's the wrong directory right now. Get images. Oh, it's still, like, really? Pass. Could only use literals? What do you mean? String. It takes string, what's the problem? Record, yeah. Oh, because it's dynamic, right? But what can I do about that? Is there something like static string? I don't know. String? Array of strings? Until generic provided infer type equal false. Huh? Default. Wait a minute. Why would I do that? It's kinda weird. Sync mode, wait, default pass. Interesting. Image modules. Okay. Import image module. Will you it won't find it? Really? Oh, I can wait. I can just do it here. Image. Oh, it's not public, right? Export image model and do it right here. Quick fix. Type. Okay. That's not all. There are much more photos. They're in a random order for some reason. By the way, there's the same amount as here, right? No, it's not. So why then does it? Is it so weird? How the hell there are so little photos? Object, values, image models, map, async, mode, await mode, default, src. Wow. I really don't understand what it does. But it should work, I guess. Ban, run, wait. Ban, run, build. Ban, run, preview. Okay. That's weird. But here it works. Interesting. Get images, get grouped images. Get grouped images. Entry sort. Oh, wait a minute. How much files for each file? What we're doing? We are taking the last part, right? Do we really need to do? Oh, now I see what the problem is. Okay. Is it the problem? It's not, really? Oh, it's here. Wait a minute. Wait, I'm not here. Yeah, I should be here. Image, right? So it's just taking the direct path. Oh, but that's not what I want, right? Wait. Delete photo. Const prefix. Hmm. File. Okay, what if I want to... It has to be map, right? And if file, I'm making file equals... Can I modify, right? It's map. A string undefined is not assignable type string. Type undefined is not assignable. But I checked. Okay, if not undefined. So that's interesting. If undefined, return continue. I don't know. Continue. Return. File string. Wait, so at which moment it happens? String or undefined? Oh, this one can be undefined, right? Okay. Name. File name equals that. Oh, I can do it other way, right? Yeah. It doesn't help. That's so weird. Really photo. Not found. Clearly doing something wrong. Images daily photo. Get images. Oh, because I'm taking only JPEGs. That's the problem. Yeah, it was so easy to. Such a easy problem. How do I do that? Do I just write comma star WebP? No, it's not. I had somewhere the code which was generic. Okay, it's not it. Where could it be? Markdown. Oh wait, maybe. Yeah, I guess can do it this way. What's wrong? Okay, now it works. Nice. It seems to be all of them. Oh, what do I want? I want 5 columns. Not here. Here. Nice. Then I want to sort them. Images.sort. Sort. To sort. Compare func. Okay. So A, B, right? It's not right. Parseint. Okay, that's good. I need that. Num A. Split. Dot, right? Dot. And what do I do here? Return num B minus num A. No, it doesn't work. Do I have to do it like images? I said images because it's a constant. Let. Still doesn't work. So I guess that's not the problem. Const. String number. Oh, wait a minute. What the hell am I doing here? Split 0, yeah. Still wrong. Percent A split dot. Wait a minute. Don't I need to clear it like this? Okay, it's already clean. What the hell with this SRC? There is something wrong with that. Prefix. Split delimiter. And it just works here. Yeah, it just works here. I don't get it. Why? How do I even debug that? Inspect. Okay, it's the same thing here, right? Nevertheless, it works. SRC, pages, gallery 19, JPEG. Okay, daily photo. Pages, daily photo, 1VP. The same here. Wait. Wait. Oh, the URL is the same. Gallery, daily photo. I don't get it. Oh, that's the problem. Yeah, I'm not watching. I'm watching on the wrong element. I need A, and here is gallery 18. Why? SRC image 0. Yeah, but prefix. Okay, now I guess I see. Now I see. So how do I get prefix? File. Prefix, here it is. Why not dates? Form pics, names. For I don't know. I mean, it just happened to be that way at the beginning. Like here, it's not dates because I had to group them, right? So it's like image, like it's ungrouped image, right? Only one image in a group, only one. No, here is two, like 3, 0, 3, 1. So in group 3 there are 2 images, right? And here it just happened to be that way. I mean, I'll obviously change it, I guess, to dates, right? Because I don't know any other better option. But now I just want to make it work, you know? But I found the problem, so it should not be hard to fix, right? I just need to use prefix instead. Like SRC is image, but here I'm using not image and prefix. Grouped images, prefix. Why you group them? It's like Instagram-like feature, you know. So I just basically this gallery was my Instagram page, but on my website. So you don't have to have Instagram to see my Instagram photos. And I have grouped images there, and so that you can. So because of that, I decided to implement this feature on my website. Yep. Files, split, pop. They should be clear, aren't they? Like, right here, I'm getting the prefix. Daily photo. Inspect. SRC. Okay, let's try doing that one more time. Like, will it work actually? There is a question mark. Like it adds additional information. which I'm not sure if I need. Okay, let's just check it out. A image dot split. Still, okay, it works, or does it? Daily photo. It works. Ain't no way. Daily photo. Nice. 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 Banner run the banner run build. Ban run preview. Forcing code. That's called programming, my brother. What you are describing is literally programming. Okay, now it's... And now it doesn't work, obviously, when it's built, it doesn't work. Gallery, but will work gallery work. Yeah, gallery for some reason works, I don't know why. Like, after building it, it changes the name of the image, right? Because it does some optimization techniques. But for some reason... Okay, URL is the same. Oh wait, I guess. No, this card's programming from the front end. You're not wrong, but incomplete. Okay, so I found another issue, but I don't know what causes this issue. Here, link is the image name and not its location. I guess I will need to rewrite getImages function. So it's gonna return not an array of strings, but rather an array. Wait. Record. It's a key value, right? Record is a key value. Yeah, it suits me, right? Oh wait, I can just do it like another type. No, I don't want another type. An array of vector of strings, but I'm doing it other way around, right? String. What the hell? Return as a type, but it's used as value. Where does it use as value? Okay, never mind. What if name of image would contain the path to itself? What do you mean? It's a name of image contain a path to itself? Like, do you understand? That way, it's gonna be path, and then this path is gonna be duplicated because it's after that path. Also, you can't use slashes in the name because it will impossible to target via terminal, you know, like CD. Just use underscores. What do you mean? I don't get, like, I don't get the idea. Underscores for what? Your name line is receive pages, daily photos, JPEG. Why would I? It doesn't it's like, don't simplify the problem, what's the point? Like, that's not the problem. The problem is that I don't get the file name and I get its location. But you have the path in the name then. But why would I want it? Like, I get path anyway. It's not hard to get the path. Like, to get this image, I have to pass, you know? Like, I can't get that image without pass. And what's the point of having a path in the image if I already have a path to access this image? Like, that's kind of weird. I mean, maybe I just misunderstand you, but I don't know. Oops, I close it. Image. Delete photo. Pop. Alright. I can do it one more time. Inspect. At least I can try to do it one more time. Hey. No, I can't, I guess. Image stream. What if you hardcode the path? How is it even related to the problem I have right now? I clearly don't see. It is hardcoded. Path is hardcoded. Like, you can't not hardcode path. Okay, you can, but not in such case. Like, here's the hardcoded path. .. pages gallery star.jpg. And here is the path for daily photos. Like, it's just current directory with JPEG and WebPiece. I'm not really track what the problem you have. Fantastic. I mean, I don't blame you, but why, like, how do you solve problem without knowing what the problem is? It's kind of weird. I'm just throwing out the ideas, you know. Okay, I see. Food for sauce. Okay, I just assumed, like, never mind. Yeah, so here we get prefix and it's stored separately. Right. It's, by the way, it's dev? No, it's preview. I want dev. Inspect. What is the link? Yeah, link is ugly. Like, as fuck. What can I do about it? Wait, how the hell? It has... Oh, because I edited it. Yeah. Then... Yeah, then I'm doing it once again. One more time. But with dot. And then I'm taking 0. Okay. Will it work? Wait a minute, it should work. In a way. Okay, in preview. Oh, I closed server. It doesn't work! Why it doesn't work? Okay, 19, right? It's just 19. Just 19. Diary. Oh, it's not diary, it's daily photo. And like, I don't know, 1. What's your problem, man? Image, Astor. Maybe here is a problem. Get static places. Import images, get grouped images. Const. Tune params image prefix. Oh, wait. Oh, I want to just copy it. Do I? Right? Why it's so different here? Whatever, I guess. Import. What is import? What is this code? Who wrote this? It's insane. Just insane. Get images. Insane code. Person who wrote it must be ill. Like, I see no other way. Get grouped images. Here we go. Get images. Images. Wait, what's the problem? Expect one argument. Yeah, exactly, one argument. And it's here. It's here. Damn, what am I doing right now is like so ugly. But I just want to get it done. And maybe later I'll iterate on it. Params, image, prefix. Image map, prefix. Wait, no, wait. Image. Params, image, prefix. Image. Params. Image, wait, get image by prefix. Wow. Filter. Path, model. Wow. Okay, let's just hope it works. No, it doesn't. My hope died immediately. Okay. So I'm converting them, but why would I do that? Like, what's the point? Get images by prefix. Images import. I'm doing that one more time and saying eager true. I can? I don't know. I guess I can't. Eager true. Is that how I do it? No, it's not. Go to. Oh, wait. No, wait. Wow. Okay. Oh, okay. I have to get the image models here. Image models. The same thing. It's not promise anymore. Okay, and here. Nice. Wait, it still broke. Type image model. And here we're doing the same thing, but with a different path. Like that. No, and here it also should be the same way. Please work. It doesn't. Did I broke default gallery? No, I didn't. Okay. That's so weird. Wait a minute. Daily photo one. It doesn't work. What if I'll add WebP at the end? WebP. It still doesn't work. Interesting. What if I add gallery? 1. It does work. 2. It does work. The file name is absolutely the same, right? Layout here. Doing all the same stuff. Why it doesn't work? One. Possible dynamic roles being matched. What the hell? Where do I have that dynamic roads? Here they are. Still doesn't work, so that's not the problem. Possible dynamic roads being matched. Yeah, that's it, but what's the problem? Get static path road pattern was matched, but not matching static path was found for request. I'm going crazy. Why now is broken so bad? Wait a minute, what's wrong? Why don't I get CSS? Okay, now it works. Gallery. Okay, matched. Daily photo. Okay, static paths. There is something wrong about it. Get static paths road pattern was matched. Why for a split second after you reload website it has different font? Because there is no caching right now because I'm running in a dev mode. Like, as far as I know, I don't have this font installed on my PC, but it is in the packages. And so every time I reload my website, it basically just re-downloads font from this local server. Like, if I build it and run it as in production, then it will just cache this font and it should be okay. I don't know, I don't understand why it does. This pattern doesn't work. Like, I have file with an image in it, right? Const image. It's gallery. Wait, not that file. Daily photo image. Yep, here we go. Here it is. What if I'll do like, I don't know, some text, you know? Like, it'll keep it simple. Oh, wait, I need layout. It still doesn't work. The hell? I had the same issue on all website. Is it normal? No, it's not. Okay, so, you mean website? What website? Is it your website? Like, if you're on a website, right? You go into DevTools, you open network, and here is disable cache. When it is toggled, every time you reload it, it redownloads everything, right? You can see it's like 1 second to load every time. But if it's untoggled, it gets load only one time, and then if you reload it, it gets wait a minute. Okay, I guess it's shorter, so it does something else locally. We can see it here. So if I disable cache, transferred 800 kilobytes, 1 megabyte, 1.5 megabyte, and now I untoggle this, and now it's only 75 kilobytes, 100 kilobytes. So yeah. Why the hell it... Oh, wait. It's not what I changed, right? It's not this, it's this. Yeah. Okay, we are keeping it as it is. And I want to change this. Daily photo. getStaticPath function required for dynamic roads. getStaticPaths function is required for dynamic roads. Make sure that you export a getStaticPaths function from your dynamic road. Huh? But it's not dynamic. Huh? I mean, it just works in other files like diary. Wait. How? Wait. Diary index? Oh, it's markdown. Yeah, it's gonna work just as it is. Okay, gallery, image. Do I export? Oh. Okay. Okay. Images. Okay. Grouped images. Okay. Prefix. Oh, okay, so I have to redo it once again. I'm going here, not here, but here. And I'm repeating the same thing. So I'm sorting them and getting only prefix. And also I have to trim it. Wait. Yeah. Images. Prefix. What is prefix? Okay. Image. Okay, I'm closer. It just doesn't load. But it works, right? I can go to the URL right now. Now I just have to copy this in and paste it here. No? src. Image. What is image? Image is just that. Yeah, just as here. Model default src. What does it return? Object entries. Wait, image files. Those are just strings. Just strings. Get images by prefix. Image files. Image. Oh, get images. My bad, I guess. Yeah. Okay, let's do it. Get image by prefix. Actually, why not just get image? Pass include prefix delimiter. Model default src. Image model. Image models. Wait! Record. I'm doing model, right? I can't iterate on it. Interesting. Control. I close something. Control Shift T. Record. But it returns string. Object entries. Image models. Oh. String. Oh, okay. Okay, makes sense. Object entries. Right. Nice. Image model. Model.default.src. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Yeah, ain't no way. It doesn't work. It still doesn't work. Wait. I broke it. I broke everything. I fucking broke everything. Even my gallery. Oh, because I'm changing the wrong file. Yeah, does make sense. Okay, I fixed it. Now we're going here. Object dot entries. Nice. Model default src image. Please, please, please. Ain't no fucking way it works. I mean, partially. But it works only partially. Oh, because I'm doing everything. Every single thing. But what I should do is that image files dot, how do I, it's record, right? So it's a hash map. image files dot get TypeScript record keys type good Boris dot image. Oh wait, how do I do that? Image no image how to index TypeScript record? Okay. Image. It's type any. Why the hell it has type any? Record. Default. .src. Image. Const. Dot. Oh, I'm missing something. Clearly. Okay, this one works. I can't. Was I doing something different? Please. Fuck. Undefined is not object. Fuck. That's not what I want. Image. Const image equals image. Oh wait. Image is a string. Yeah, but that's not what I want, right? Oh, filter includes can I map them? I guess I can just map them and it should fix it. Image files dot map. Oh, it's not gonna work because it's entries. Okay, we're converting it to array. Nice. Now we're doing map. We got what? Name, pass, image. Return what? I hate people who working at my uni. Hate. What's wrong with them? Are they bullying you? image number. What the hell? Why is it? No, oh wait, yeah, it's number. Pass string. Pass model. I have lab on Monday and I still don't have any docs to know what will we do there. It's a problem. Like, you should be ready for everything. Isn't that the reason why you're going to uni? To know everything. And to be ready for everything. But what do you mean? I'm just kidding. They deliberately say we have to read them before going there. There are even homework to do before lab. I mean, I guess that's a nice excuse to come to the lab and say, oops, we didn't get the documents. I guess then it's 3 A's, or what do you have for marks there in Austria? Pass image model. Is there even homework to do before lab? 1 to 5. 1 is the best. Yeah, so it's easy one. Actually, I remember it's like a friend of mine told me about that. What, how it works in Austria. But full up you get 3 points. So it's 3 out of 3, right? Do I understand it right? SRC, so it gets... What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it? It gets the pass, right? No, it's not. So what it is? Do I like just doing the same thing as here? Wink. Wait. Pass. Pop, split. 0. Yeah. Looks good to me, I guess. Oh, image files is now. Fuck. I hate it. Plus possible 3 bonus points. So it's easy 6 out of 3. I mean, like, can't you just write them? I don't know. Send a mail. I mean, it's kinda late. You remembered it too late? They don't, okay. Okay, they don't, okay. I mean, clearly not as dumb as I am, considering I'm already like an hour and a half trying to fix this problem, which I created. They didn't even know why we don't see points for the last lap, like how. I mean, maybe that's back. Bro, you're studying in mechanical engineering, not like computer science, so chill. Just chill. You know, full chill. Like, let's be honest, who fucking cares about university? Like, really? Who like really care? I don't. Why do you? Like, what's the point? Do you get anything from that? I'm on the diploma. I mean, you probably, I would say you don't have to really care about university to get the diploma. You can just, you know, do bare minimum and That's it. Okay, so image is 1, and here the key is a path. How do I index it? How do I index it? Image files dot filter, where okay, I have similar logic here. Yeah, yep, here we go. Here we go. Path includes img map model. Wait, it's something. Wait a minute. If I have diploma, I care about being good specialist. You don't need university to be a good specialist. I don't want to blow up or something. Do you mean like to blow up gears? What can you blow up in mechanical engineering? Imagine if people who study nuclear plants would use ChatGPT for everything. You are like... That's black and white thinking. You either know everything or either you know nothing. That's not how it works. You don't need university to be good specialist. That's my point. Or surgeons. Wait. Yeah, like... I mean, I don't think it's... I hope it's not a problem right now, right? Okay, I mean, by the time those who are studying to be surgeons right now, at the moment they will graduate, right? After using ChatGPT for everything and not learning everything. At that point, I just hope we already will have a singularity, we will have like the smartest AI possible, which will do everything, and we will like have everything automated. There are gonna be no surgeons and... Yeah, you see what I'm talking about. .webp. Will it work? It's map, and it should not be map. Yeah, it should not be. Oh wait, what the hell am I doing? Image. Zero. Wait. WebP. That's not what I want. Yes, he will conduct. That's the best way to save humanity is to wipe all humans. I mean, why not? Like, can you answer me what's the point of your life? Like, why do you do everything you do? Oops, I'm sorry about hitting my mic. Undefined is not an object. Ain't no fucking way. Image files, filter, oh. Path includes. At this point, it's an array, right? Now. Wait. Oh, wait. Filter. Image files. 0. 0, 1 at string image model. Default src. Image is not defined. What do you mean? Image is declared, but it's value never read. Oh, img image. No way! No way! No way! I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Then what a programmer am I? I'm so good at it. I'm so good at it. Damn. Like, I mean, I'm just about to write Linux 2.0. Oh, it already was released. Yeah, my bad. Also, mechanical engineering or electrical is not something you can learn at home, like computer science or some shit like that. You're just too lazy. I have access to so many labs with ton of equipment that I would only dream to buy. Bro, it's not that expensive, just open AliExpress. Imagine having 100 gigawatt lasers for home projects. You don't need that laser. Like, obviously, sometimes it's just cool to have it, right? For some projects. But I'm pretty sure you don't need it. Like, most scenes you can learn without 100 gigawatt laser. Okay, I'm not sure about how bad it is with employment, like how what percentage of companies will to hire you without a diploma, but I can tell. Zero. I mean, okay, unlucky then. It also runs specialty, I guess. Just wait, like... I don't know, life is hard. And... it's supposed to be this way, right? Like, everyone choose... Like... in any way, life is gonna be hard. You just get to choose in which way it's gonna be hard, right? And if you don't like the way it is, I guess the problem is that you choose the wrong heart, right? Did you get the job, by the way? No, I didn't. It's such an interesting story. I believe I was like, manager has blocked me. Because there were 2 interviews, like there were 4 technical interviews, which is insane, by the way. First 2 I passed, like I got through them, then they told me, wait, we'll tell you if you're going to the next rounds. Then they told me like, hey Jenny Rock, thank you for following. Hey, how are you? I'm good. Damn, that's another bot. Interesting. Ban. So there are that rounds, which I passed, and I got an email like, you're going to the next rounds. After that, there were 2 more rounds and 1 meeting with the manager. From those 2 rounds, 1 round was like clearly great. I don't know how to explain it, but it was a great experience. The interviewer was a great person. I solved the problem. We were communicating clearly. I was like doing everything I should do. So after that round, what website are you building? Hey, Maximus EE. Hello. It's like my personal website. Like, you can check it out. Currently there is an old version of it deployed. So basically, it's just a personal website. I have blog here, diary, where I write diary each day, right? So you can read everything that happens in my life. Gallery, which is basically just photos from my Instagram. Projects, right? And there is also hidden page called daily photo, because I do 1 photo each day, but it's kind of broken and I just fixed that. So I'm gonna deploy it today. How have you come to this stream, by the way? I'm just curious. Okay, so get back to you, Sakura. Well, job interview. This round I won. I like clearly believe that, because also at the end of the round, interviewer just said me, what has he said? He said something like, okay, so I'm keeping my fingers for your next round, which I have no, like, the only way I can interpret that is like, great, this round is passed, good luck on the next one, right? And the last round, it was kind of terrible. But I honestly believe, like, I fuck it up a little bit. But mostly interviewer was just really immature. Like, I don't know, she was so awkward, she wasn't clearly telling me what I should to do. Like, she was not clearly defining the task and so on. So I can count this as lost round. I don't think that this one round, like, set the result for everything, right? It would be weird, considering also I checked all the profiles of those interviewers, and she like works in this company, the list of all of them, and if every one of them have said like he's okay, and she would say like no, he's not okay, he's not suitable for this role, I don't think that would change anything, right? But also as a interview, as a conference with a manager, it was really tough. Like, I felt that conflict of interest. Like, it was pretty okay. I said everything I wanted to say, but it was, at least for me, it was clearly seen that he was more into, like, business and earning money, and I was trying to, like, talking about idea, right? Maybe kind of a bit too abstract, but generally about the idea. And it felt like a conflict. Learning for an interview and was just taking a break, suffering through, and ended up here. Suffering through. I'm sorry, like I don't know, like it's late, it's hard for me. Okay, so learning for an interview was just taking a break, surfing through the end up here. You're learning for the software engineering interview, right? Like what role it is? Funny considering I'm just talking about my last interview. So yeah, Sakura, I hope you're here, right? I have no other options like in my mind that it's anything else but the conference with the manager, which ruined everything. But I guess, no, I left a long time ago. I'm a bot. Ain't no fucking way. Yeah, so that's it. I mean, I guess it's better for me, right? Because there are quite a lot of red flags during the interview process. And obviously, I don't quite like the conference with a manager. So, yeah, I mean, it's kind of copium, but it's also true, you know? Like, it can be both, just so you know. I mean, it's obviously copium because I didn't get the job. But also, it's something that is true. I can clearly see when I'm delusional and when I'm not. And, I mean, if they think I'm not suitable for them, probably they're not suitable for me, right? Not the end of the world. Okay, now it works, right? It works. Hell yeah, I have to build it to check it out in production. Ban, run, build. Okay. Okay. Banner on preview. Woo! Let's go! Just graduated and it's my first interview. By the way, nice website, best wishes. Bro, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Best wishes for your interview. Because I guess it's something more important than just personal website. Yeah, so, okay, now, it's really late, I want just to make sure that everything works, everything that should work works, and I'm pushing it and and go and sleep. Block, right? I have block here. Diary, gallery, projects, and daily photo. Nice. I would rather rearrange them, I guess. I would want to rearrange. Let me so hard to talk. Rearrange them, right? Nav. Block, diary. I would place projects first. Then probably block. Then galleries and diaries and daily photo. That's how I want it. Why it didn't change? Oh, because it's a production mode. Yeah. Wanna run dev? Here we go. Also, Sakura, check this out. Oh, I broke it. And there was a silence. Final one is that Next.js. What do you mean, final? On systems. On systems, okay, I don't know what this language. Can I translate it? How do I translate it? In a way I can translate is in Brave. Interesting. Is it like full static? Oh no, it's not. I mean, I generally believe some scenes like Next.js are overkill for most scenes, especially like that. Like this site could easily be static, except this form, which I guess you can use some microservice for that, right? Inspect. Do I have Vapalizer? Yep. WordPress. I don't see Next.js. Is it like, no, hidden or something? Do you have an Indian man who types that every time someone hovers mouse over it? Types what? Oh. You're not funny, Sakura. You're not funny. Yeah, in addition to them, I also have Chinese children which upload photos to my gallery every time someone visits my website. Yep. Pakistan man and Flamingo. Yep. He is the Indian man and the Chinese child. 2 in 1. Okay. There are no thumbnails for blog, which I should change, but not today, right? So everything seems to work. Okay. Oh, I don't have light mode. I can fix that pretty quickly. Like it's really quick. Index? No, it's nav. Nav? My bad, I can't release it. Only now I realized. Only now I realize that. Where is it? Wait a minute. Oh. Nice. I don't have mobile design. So if I'm making it too small, it breaks. What can I do about that? I can make it... Wait a minute. There's also links Flex. Flex. Okay, flex. Flex call. Remove call. Let's call. Okay. So small. Small flex call. Nice. Now it's broken still. Damn, it's so bad. Oh, I know what I can do. I know what I can do. Wait. Wait, what the hell? Okay. I can just copy it, right? Go to aistudio.google.com, right? And write something like, I have a sidebar on my personal website. However, it is not adapted, right? Adapted to the mobile resolution, I don't know, size, page size. Can you make it so on mobile? I saw that, like, I clearly saw that you will write it. Can you make it so on mobile? On mobile what? On mobile sidebar is going to be hidden in a hamburger button in top right corner. How to write corner as well. Keep title in the top left corner. Let's go. I hope it will know what to do. Astrum. With a freeze hamburger button, can I have fries with cola? No, you can't. Hamburger button. It's a term. You see, it's like a Wikipedia page for that. Huh? You see it? Huh? Now you know. Is this the smartest model? I hope it is. Yes, it is. We are going through deep thinking. It thinks hard. Like hard. Like really hard. Like, you know, pretty hard. Okay, at this point maybe it's too hard. Harder than you, obviously. Damn, I really like this video on top of Minecraft parkour. I don't know, it's so good. On top of the chat. It's so good. I'm so proud of myself. It's the best layout I could come up with. Damn, waiting is so boring. Adapting the mobile navigation. I'm not finalize the mobile header integration. Okay. Streaming mobile integration. Implementing mobile friendly menu. Finalizing the mobile menu implementation. Refining mobile integration. Implementing responsive sidebar. Is this like going in a loop? Tell a joke. Are you fucking kidding me? Give me one moment. Damn, the lamp is so bright. Okay, that's better. Oh, that's a lot of code. Tell it. A joke. Let me recall it. Let me recall it. Okay, I remembered one joke. I remembered one joke. Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. That's it. That's not one. This one. I just lost. I just lost the previous conversation. Because of this fucking job. Can I get back just to it? I can't. I can't. One more time, one more time, one more time. I'm disappointed you failed by the one. Okay, my bad. No, it's not. I have a sidebar on my website. The problem is it is not adapted for mobile screen, mobile page size. Can you make it so it's going to be hidden in a hamburger which is going to be located in top right corner? Also leave title in the top left corner. One more time. Yes, it is. You can do better. You're a bully. I mean, I always knew that. Let's go. Thinking one more time. One more time. One more time. Wait. Tomorrow is Saturday. Right. Tomorrow is Saturday. Think of a good joke. I don't know jokes. I mean, I know some in my native language, but not in English. I mean, I know some in English, but I can't recall them immediately, like I don't hear them often. You believe in me. I'm really happy that you believe in me. Thank you, man. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Don't you know jokes that can be translated? That's not how it works. That's not how it works. I know a bunch of them, I know. I believe you. Like, I had no doubt in that. Can you tell one? The funniest you have. Okay, I've refactored the Astro component to implement a responsive sidebars that collapse into a hamburger menu on mobile. Here is the updated code. It's not the funniest. Then it's your bet. You can do better. You failed. I'm just kidding. Okay. Okay. Why did it change styles? Who asked? Like, who fucking asked about that? Okay, it's not bad. Okay, it's bad. It's fucking bad, it doesn't work. I love guys. I love wipe coding. We have to try one more time. Okay, there is an error. Overlay element. That's, by the way, the smartest model ever. At this point. Do you know Germans invented sparkling water? Who else would have thought to put gas in water? Wait, it's not the funniest. You didn't even read it. Haha, lol. I skipped it. I mean, it just merged with the other text, and I just skipped it. Like, unintentionally. Like, my brain just, fuck it. Go next. Why it doesn't work? I hate it. Why? Okay. 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 What can I do? Oh, where is it? So when I click the hamburger button, how do I write hamburger? Let's go. Nothing happens. There are also I didn't ask you to change styles. Revert them back as they were. What else do I want? Oh, and make sure nav this component is wrapped in a div with flex class. So flex class. So make sure when it changes to mobile one, it whoa, how do I do that? Oh, I know how, yeah. Changes to mobile one. Content shifts down to give some space. Make sure that it has flex call in it. Here are errors I got from IDE and the wrapper code. Let's go. Errors. Problems. Copy. Nice. Professional web coding. Astro, and I want to get this one. Wait. Wait a minute. Where am I? What the hell am I doing? Yeah, wait. I don't see the end. Oh. Yeah, here it is. Wrapper. Let him think. Wait, is red and dangling from the back of a... What is red and dangling from the back of a train? Miscarriage. Wait, you bad at English? Yes, I am. You won't get it. Yes, I won't. Let me do another one. How is called the part of the New York where only feminists live? Manhattan. Okay, it was a good one. It was a good one. They say Americans use no metric, but they use 9mm at school. Okay, that was not fun. And also the first joke was also a bad one about miscarriage. Like, I understood it, but it was just really not funny. Wait, it's not what I want? What is it? Here's now faster. Okay. Nice. Oh! 2 more errors. Let's go. I feel like the more I do that, the more the more I close to fuck up everything. Like really. Before testing. What? Okay, so it's enough. Wait. Enough. Before testing. In your layout Astor page. Oh, yeah, I sent it the wrong one. Nav main. Huh? Main. Your page content. Flex 1. Okay. So now it's not gonna work either, right? Yep. Insane. Okay, let's do it my way. Let's do it my way. Main. What I'm gonna do? First of all, nav small flex call. Okay, change this at medium. Okay. Oh, daily photo is, it can't wrap. Is it good enough experience for mobile? It's flex. Small, medium gap 3, and here is gap 2. Nice, now it's better now. Oh no. Oh no. I hate web. I sincerely hate web. I'm so glad sperma donors help people become parents. They really come in handy. How can I fix it? Daily photo. have to wrap it when it's overflowing, but how can I do that? No, flex call. Flex. Wrap. Oh, I can. Oh, wait. Flex. List item. Oh yeah, I see now. Wait. Flex. Changes nothing? Wait. Flex call, right. Rub. No. VFoo. Is there HFoo, VFoo? What do you call a woman who pleasures herself with a vegetable? Mrs. Hawkins. I'm disappointed. Why it doesn't work? 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 Make it so on mobile. Links in header wrap on a next line if they don't fit. How can I make it work on mobile without putting too much effort into it? Like, is there an optimal solution without using hamburger menu? I mean, I want to make it as it was on my as it is on my current website, right? So it just fits in. Everything just fits. But for some reason, I get this. Text, no wrap. Okay, that's better. Text, no wrap. The same here. Nice. Text to Excel, it's medium. Now it's gonna be like text. I don't know, MD, is there a scene? LG? Large. I was so confused when my printer was playing music last night. Turns out it was just jamming. Okay, good one. medium text 3 Excel, but other way it's grep 2. Text no wrap. Place between. I don't know how is it between. Place content between. Huh? Space between, yeah. Doesn't work? Or am I doing it wrong? Okay. Should be here. Place content between. Oh. Full. MD. Nice. Nice. Text Excel. I don't know. Okay. And here it's not gonna be large. It's gonna be just as it is. Projects. Okay, I have to change that. It has a border on the left. Yeah, but it's only medium. Border B4 2, I guess. Yeah. PL4. No, I don't need PL. Okay, it's good enough. But now, if I go back, yeah, that's what I expected. That's why I'm doing MD border B0. Nice. What do you think, Sakura? This is good. And this it looks good. Maybe outline. Wait, I can do that. It's good, apart from solving one problem for 2 hours. Why you always have to be so mean? Okay, I don't have the transition to the right, that's not what I want. It's only on the medium one. Medium hover. Nice. I also don't really like that it grows when I hover it. But I guess whatever, it doesn't really matter. And I want just to check it on the smallest possible screen, and if it works, that's good. Oh, wait. What do I have here? iPhone is here. Oh. Wait. It doesn't look great. Looks terrible. But it's true. Okay. 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 What's wrong? Why? There is huge, I don't know what is padding margin on the right. HTML. Is it because of that? Can I make it wrap? Oh, I just want to test this out. Okay, it doesn't work obviously. List, wrap, flex, wrap. Here we go. It's better than it was before, at least. At least it's better than it was before. I hope. Oh, it's so ugly. Why does it happen? Oh. Oh. How do I fix that? BG gray 0. Nice. Border B border gray 1. Okay. Also, I have to reduce padding. Okay, first of all, I want to fix that in a size scale. Medium border none. And I guess I don't really care about the background. Okay, it works as it should. Now, padding 8, but it's only medium. And it's gonna be padding 2 by default. Okay. Is it really that small? Pixel 7. Oh, it's bad here too. Okay. It's gonna be not large here. Where is it? Yeah, it is here. Nice. Better now. Pixel 7, is it big or small? I don't know. iPhone 12 Pro. Okay. It doesn't work. Galaxy S8 Plus. Yeah, it breaks every now and then. Pad Air. Surface Pro. Surface Duo. Galaxy Z Fold 5. What can I do about it? Make it scrollable? I don't know, it might be ugly. Okay, it's probably not gonna be that bad if I'll... First of all, why am I playing with my mic stand? And second, I want to reduce gap only medium, gap 3, and it's gap 1. Oh, it's bad. Gap 2. It doesn't help. Text. Small, I don't know. Oh, it's not centered. It's not centered. Items center. MD items baseline. Nice. Mostly works. Good enough for now. Okay, it works almost on everything. So, I would say it's production ready. Wait, I didn't check one more thing. Okay, F1 is here. Diary. The padding is huge. No way. He did something, no I didn't. You're mistaken it. Padding 8, wait. Where do I get that amount of padding? Is that even legal? Is it layout? Padding 8, yeah. Medium. 2. Okay, nice. Maybe it's like too small of a pattern, I would say. Block, gallery. It's probably this pattern is too small. P4. Okay, but it doesn't matter. The gap is still the same. Where's the gap? Do I have it? Oh no, I don't have it. Gap. Gap 2. It doesn't work. Whatever, it's good for now. The text is huge, by the way. It's unproportionally huge. Okay, I'm tired. I'll just release it that way. It's fully functional. It's not as pretty as I want it to be, but it's okay. Okay, so Sakura, thank you for coming on the stream. I really appreciate it. Yeah. Yeah, so I'll go. See you later. Bye!